Flossing Day is celebrated on the fourth Friday in November, i.e., the Friday after Thanksgiving, which is November 26th this year.
The holiday stresses the importance of flossing your teeth every day for excellent oral health. Can you believe that horsehair was used as dental floss before the invention of the modern floss we use today? Before the beginning of written history, humans have used a wide variety of materials like dental floss. Based on anthropological evidence found in ancient humans, horsehair was used as one of the first types of dental floss. Toothpicks and chew sticks with sharpened points are also two of the tools early humans employed for interdental cleaning. In 1815, Dr. Levi Spear Parmley, a New Orleans dentist, created the earliest iteration of the modern dental floss. It was a thin, waxen silk thread that he encouraged his patients to clean between their teeth. This thread was readily available everywhere because it was used in tailoring. 4 years later, Dr. Parmley published his dental book, A Practical Guide to the Management of Teeth. In the book, he recommended brushing twice a day and flossing once every day. In 1882, the Codman and Shurtleff Company began producing unwaxed silk floss, marketed as dental floss. In 1898, Johnson & Johnson patented dental floss and began producing all types of waxed and unwaxed dental floss. Johnson & Johnson's dental floss used the same silk material as surgical stitches. However, in the 1940s, silk became expensive because of the war, causing the price of silk dental floss to skyrocket. Dr. Charles Bass introduced the idea of replacing silk with nylon. The idea received traction and later led to the invention of dental tape. Dental floss has since evolved and now comes in different textures, materials, and flavors. They are also made to fit different mouth shapes and sizes. In 2000, the National Flossing Council created Flossing Day to remind everyone of the importance of flossing. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.